Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another Sunday, which means I'm back at Aldi to do my family's main weekly grocery shopping. Let's get into the store, see what I got, and don't forget at the end, I share with you our weekly meal plan, and any recipes I'm using are linked below. First off, I'm getting English muffins, bourbon breakfast sandwiches for dinner this week, $1.19. We are having people over to swim today, $1.79 for tortilla chips. My husband's family's coming over for his mom's birthday. We're gonna have a mini cookout today to celebrate her. She normally hosts, so we're doing it today. Anyways, the only thing my husband asked for was potato chips. So I'm gonna get the cheddar sour cream and regular at $1.88 each. I haven't bought the cinnamon raisin bread in a long time, but someone had it ahead of me in line last week and it looked really good, so I'm gonna get it this week. My middle daughter Elsie and I, we both love this. $1.85. 93 cents for white bread for toast, grilled cheese, the usual. We are gonna have burgers and hot dogs today, so I'm gonna get 2 packs of burgers at 92 cents a piece and a pack of hot dog buns, also 92 cents a piece. I'm gonna cut up a watermelon for today, $4.45. I think I'll take that guy. I need cilantro. I'm making more of the corn dip I made last week, 85 cents. The only fruit I'm restocking on other than watermelon is a bag of apples, $4.29. Pink lady. $1.97 for eggs. For breakfast sandwiches, of course. $2.92 for 2% milk. A Roma tomato for burgers, $1.35 a pound. I wanted vanilla unsweetened almond milk, but they don't have it, so I guess I'll have to try again another time. That's too bad. Okay, I need chip dip for the chips today, $1.65, and then sour cream at $1.69 to make corn dip and cheesy potatoes. Butter for lots of things, $3.58. $4.19 for bacon to make breakfast sandwiches. We love this stuff. I'm getting a can of corn to make the corn dip. It was really good on the 4th of July, so my father-in-law requested I make it again, 58 cents. I'm getting 2 diced and 6 of the basil, garlic, oregano, 72 cents a piece. My husband loves this stuff for PB&J's, $2.85. I'm getting mayonnaise for the dip I'm making with the corn, $2.45. I also need it for a zucchini bake I'm making today. Yay, the last few times I've looked for these, they're not here. $2.19 for pickle chips. That makes me very happy. We are meeting my friend at the lake, and I'm gonna get these to take to share as a snack, $1.99. They're starting to mark down more stuff. So we have all of these new items. It's very well stocked, very organized, lots of camping items. Collapsible bucket, that's kind of cool. A greenhouse, a log burner. I love this portable grill top. Adventure line table, that is very tempting to me as well because I never have a table. I have to borrow from people. Drink steaks, chopping. Different beach towels, laundromat, throws, boots, hammock chairs. There's lots of those, lots of pretty. Everything is so well stocked. Booster seats, gliders, wedge pillows. I bought one of these last week, last minute, and I really like it. Actually, I think I got that one. Oh, they have the cabana for the lake and $100. Everything else over there is overstock. They have lots of different end cap things. Almond butter filled pretzels sound good. These look good. This is what I wanted to come over here for. Cilantro paste and sun-dried tomatoes. I'm gonna get both. But they also have lemongrass and Italian herbs. Come on, give it to me. Oh my goodness, $2.79. I'm getting a pack of plates and napkins at $2.29 a piece for our picnic today at the pool. One of my least favorite things in the world to buy is paper towel. I would rather use something reusable, but some things need paper towel, and I need more. $2.45. I'm going to get cilantro lime chicken for dinner, $5.89. We're just going to pan fry it. I'm running low on my ground coffee, donut store blend, $4.19. We are running low on flour. My daughter made homemade cupcakes the other day, so I need more. $1.76. I've wanted to try this roasted garlic risotto for a while. I'm actually going to get roasted garlic, 2 packs for a dinner at $2.19 a piece. Tony for instant pot ziti, $1.99. For the ziti, I also need traditional pasta sauce at $1.39. We are running low on our oils for baking, $4.19 for corn oil, and $3.09 for vegetable oil. 72 cents for the Casa Mamita version of Rotel. I'm putting it in my corn salsa. They only have 2 of my unflavored waters, so I'm gonna grab 2, 79 cents a piece. Ice cream case still packed and looking good. Lots of sherbet, more magnums. So we are going to get these 85-15 beef burger patties. Let's see how many are in here. 12. So there's 12 patties for $10.99. Works for me. I have never bought the Aldi Hot Dogs before. I was trying to find all beef. Look at these ones. Nathan's, $4.16. Discounted 4th of July food. I'm not interested in it, but it's getting marked down if you like it. I need shredded mozzarella for the Instant Pot ziti, $2.59. I also need more cheddar for my cheesy potatoes today, $2.59. And I'm gonna get 2 things of sharp cheddar for cheeseburgers and just to snack on, $1.59 a piece. Do you ever look at a shopping list and you don't know what you meant? Frozen buns? I have no idea what that means. I'm getting hash brown patties for our breakfast sandwich dinner, $3.99. And I'm also getting shredded hash browns for cheesy potatoes today, $1.75. With so many markdowns, I keep waiting for this to go into the 100s, and I want to buy it for my daughter's 13th birthday, which isn't till January. But at $100 and some, this would be a nice addition to her bedroom. I got these on the 4th of July. My kids really like them. They thought they were really good. It's like a blue cream soda. I'm also getting another one of these because my kids love them, $2.49 a piece. I have always wanted to try this. I'm going to buy it for the barbecue today, $7.99. I've seen lots of talk of these online that people think they're comfortable. They do look pretty nice and comfy. Oh my gosh, Daddy and Me men's shirts. Stop it. I'm gonna have to get these for my son and husband. More to come. If my husband will be a good sport, stay tuned for a reveal. I want this to be so cute at the party today. His mom would love it. I think these coolers are nice and cute. Small, but hold their shape. Lots of umbrellas. Not marked down yet. Okay, so here's my cart. Any guesses on the total? I need to leave before I find more things like this. Okay, this is about $160.58. Looks like all packed up. My homegrown Aldi models. Good sports, and they look so good. Okay, so here is our meal plan for the week. We are having a cookout for my mother-in-law's birthday. We are gonna go visit my mom later this week, which means we'll be eating whether at her house or out to eat, basically not here. Instant Pot ziti, I have frozen vegetables I'll be adding with that. We are gonna have the cilantro lime chicken. I'm gonna make cooked carrots and the risotto. I'm making tomato soup with grilled cheese. That was a request of my daughter, and I love making tomato soup because then my kids will eat that for lunch until it's gone. They love it. Butter chicken, I make that with rice. I have a bunch of naan in my freezer from when I found it red sticker. I just realized I did not buy broccoli though. So when I go back for almond milk, I'm gonna have to look for broccoli too. I can't believe I forgot that. But I'm using freezer chicken for the butter chicken. I'm almost out of my freezer stock of prep chicken, and I haven't found any red sticker to restock, so that's a bummer. And then we're having breakfast sandwiches with hash browns. So this is our meal plan for the week. If I have a recipe, I will link it below. But I always get asked what my tomato soup recipe is, so I'm gonna share that with you right here. If you're interested in seeing how I make it, you can watch this next video. It's easy, delicious, and my kids love it. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.